Keywords are critical to your YouTube success. By using relevant and targeted keywords in your video titles and descriptions, you can increase your video's visibility, attract more viewers, and ultimately grow your audience and engagement. In this video, we'll explore the importance of keywords in your video titles and descriptions and how to use them effectively to optimize your content for search. Number 1. Understand the importance of keywords. Keywords are the foundation of search engine optimization, or SEO. They are the words and phrases that users enter into search engines to find the content they are looking for. By understanding the importance of keywords and incorporating them into your video titles and descriptions, you can help your content get discovered by the right audience. Number 2. Research relevant and targeted keywords. To effectively use keywords in your video titles and descriptions, you need to research relevant and targeted keywords that your audience is searching for. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner or vidIQ to find the most popular and relevant keywords in your niche. Number 3. Use long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are more specific and targeted than general keywords as they are generally made from 3 to 5 words. They typically have lower search volume but are more likely to attract engaged viewers who are interested in your specific topic. Use long-tail keywords in your video titles and descriptions to improve your video's search ranking and attract a more targeted audience. Number 4. Incorporate keywords naturally. When using keywords in your video titles and descriptions, it's important to incorporate them naturally. Don't stuff your titles and descriptions with keywords, as this can hurt your search ranking and turn off viewers. Instead, use keywords in a way that feels natural and helps accurately describe the content of your video. Number 5. Put keywords at the beginning of your titles. Putting your targeted keywords at the beginning of your video titles can improve your video's search ranking and make it more likely to be clicked on by viewers. Use your most important and relevant keywords at the beginning of your titles to help your video stand out in search results. Number 6. Use variations of your keywords. Using variations of your targeted keywords can help expand your video's reach and attract a broader audience. Use synonyms, related terms, and variations of your keywords in your titles and descriptions to increase your chances of being discovered by different search terms. Number 7. Use your keywords in your video descriptions. In addition to using keywords in your video titles, it's essential to use them in your video descriptions. Use relevant and targeted keywords in your video descriptions to provide additional context about your video and help it show up in search results. Number 8. Write informative and engaging descriptions. Your video description should be informative and engaging, providing additional information about your video and enticing viewers to watch. Use your keywords in a way that feels natural and helps accurately describe the content of your video while also making it appealing to viewers. Number 9. Don't forget about the tags. Tags are another critical element of YouTube SEO. Use relevant and targeted tags to help your video appear in related searches and attract viewers who are interested in your specific topic. Use variations of your keywords in your tags to help your video get discovered by different search terms. Number 10. Monitor your analytics. Finally, it's important to monitor your analytics to see how your videos are performing and adjust your keyword strategy accordingly. Analyze your video's search rankings, click-through rates, and engagement metrics to see what's working and what's not. Use this information to optimize your keyword strategy and continually improve your video's performance. In conclusion, using keywords in your video titles and descriptions is essential to your YouTube success. By understanding the importance of keywords and using them effectively, you can improve your video's search ranking, attract more viewers, and grow your audience and engagement. Remember to research relevant and targeted keywords, use them naturally in your titles and descriptions, and continuously monitor your analytics to optimize your YouTube channel.